Hi everyone. I welcome you all to today's webinar. So we'll start with today's webinar, and the purpose of today's webinar is to help and guide you choose the right help desk. So we are going to go over, what are the most important features that you should look out for in a help desk software in the year 2025. What is the feature that you should must have in a help desk software as of today? So we'll start with the basics. I'll help desk software is essential for an organization and go over the essential features that a help desk software should have for any business, to utilize this software. So firstly, the help desk softwares are mainly customer support management softwares, and the purpose of the software is to help you organize your customer support so that all your complaints, inquiries from your end user is coming in one central place, and you and your team can easily respond to these inquiries from within Favio, or the help desk software that you will finalize. So it's mainly a customer support management tool to help you organize your business. Now, help desk software has many features, and I'll talk about the most essential features that any help desk software should have, which are beneficial for the end businesses to have these features. So I've listed some of the features here. It should be a omni-channel help desk. The world that we are living in today, there are many ways that your end users can get in touch with you. They can call you, they can email you, they can WhatsApp you, they can send you a message on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. So there are so many ways for an end user to get in touch with you today. So many different channels. Traditionally, it was more of email or let's say phone call, but now in today's world, in the year 2025, there are many different channels which are available. So it will be important to go with the help desk software, which is omni-channel. So omni-channel help desk software will support traditional channels, let's say email services, your phone services, in a way VoIP services, which are cloud-based IVR services, and along with that, support more modern channels like WhatsApp or Instagram, Facebook, and along with these channels, also provide a self-service support portal. So firstly is, a end user, a customer should be able to get in touch with you or raise tickets with you through email, through phone, through WhatsApp, through Instagram, through Facebook. Basically, any channel that your business uses and supports, your end user should be able to get in touch with you via that channel. And along with the omni-channel presence, the help desk software should also have a self-service support portal. Many a times, sometimes, it could be that your customer support is working 24 hours, but many a times the customer support is not working 24 hours. So this is when, the self support comes into picture. So what you see on the screen is a example of a Favio helpdesk software, and here I'll walk you through the features that a self service support portal should have. So firstly, there should be a knowledge base. Now, knowledge base is a place where you can create categories and write articles, and all these articles are searchable. I'm opening one of the article, example article. So article can have text, screenshots, videos in these articles. So these articles are mainly user manuals, FAQs. This is for your end user to come search the knowledge base and find a solution to their problem. To it's more like, even when the customer support people are not online, the end user can come here, search the knowledge space, and find a solution to their problem themselves without depending on anyone, and they can do this anytime, 24/7. The support portal is running, so they can come here and find a solution to their problem. And this is one use case of the knowledge base. The other use case is the knowledge base also act as a training manual for your internal team. It also acts as a training manual how your the agents that you have in your team, the people you have in your team, how will they respond to tickets, how they will troubleshoot a ticket, how they will resolve a ticket. So it can act as a training manual for your internal team. Whenever a new person is joining the team, you could use knowledge base as a training platform. And also whenever the agents are also responding to the tickets, they can add the knowledge base article as solution to the ticket also. This is the second use case. The other use case is AI. So on you know today AI has become very popular way. So AI agents, bots can respond to the tickets, close the ticket, resolve the ticket on their own. Now, for the AI to get trained and work well, it is important they are also trained well. So how will the AI be trained? AI can be trained through the knowledge base. So knowledge base can act also as a training platform, as a data source for the AI training. And the other feature a support portal has or should have is submit a ticket form. Using this form, the end users can raise tickets with the support portal. So, or the organization to whom the support portal belongs. Now this form should also be configurable. You should be able to define your own custom fields in the form, using which the end user can fill the form and raise the tickets. And other feature which should be possible on the support portal is a my ticket section. This is where the end user should be able to see their ticketing history, all the open tickets, closed tickets, they should be able to see here. And so this is where the end user can open their tickets, see the whole conversation, reply to the tickets, CC other people in the reply, put attachments in the reply, and also overall give a rating. Are they satisfied, not satisfied? So these are the most essential features that a self portal should have, which is knowledge base, which is submit a ticket form, and a my ticket section. So in the knowledge base, the end user can search their problems, resolve it. It could also be used by your internal team to troubleshoot and respond to the tickets. It could also be used by the AI as a training platform. So very essential part of a help desk is this, self-service support portal, which will also have the knowledge base. So this is one of the features that you should definitely look at while selecting the right help desk for your organization. So the first thing I spoke about was omni-channel, and along with the omni-channel, I also spoke about the self-service support portal, which has knowledge base inbuilt into it. And beyond this, there are also other features that a help desk software should have. So any ticket which is created, the system should be able to resolve that in timely manners, and organize the whole system in such a way that whenever a ticket comes in, it comes in at a certain time and is resolved in a certain time frame. So this is where the SLAs and notification comes into picture. So SLA is the service level agreement. So whenever a new ticket is created in the system, the due date for the ticket should get calculated automatically. Now the due ticket is also based on two parameters. One is the first response or the first resolution, and the second is the overall resolution. So the first response to the ticket. So whenever a ticket comes in, you should be able to define within the SLAs what is my first response. And you should also be able to define within the SLAs what is my overall resolution, what is the time frame in which the ticket should get overall resolved. So SLA is one of the important features. So I'll show you in Favio how SLA is working, and what all settings, features the SLA should have. So firstly, we have to understand that SLAs are linked with also business hours, your work timings. So whenever a due date of the ticket is calculated, it is always calculated within your working hours. So first you can define your working hours in the system. You're working Monday to Friday, 9:30 to 6:30, or EIT holiday list you can define here. And once the business hours are defined, that is when you can after that define the SLAs. So in this particular case, I can define multiple SLAs. I'll show you one of the SLAs, how it looks and how it's configured. So SLAs are linked to priority. In this particular case, we are saying for emergency priority, first reply should go within 4 working hours. Overall, the ticket should get resolved within 4 working days. So here I can define the SLA, and here I can define the conditions. When will this SLA be enforced? Will it be enforced for every ticket which comes in, or will it be enforced for specific criterias? So in this particular case, we are saying whenever a ticket is raised from this particular user, then this SLA should get enforced. So ability to have conditions within the SLA is also very important feature to have in the help desk, and also to have conditions based on that all the conditions should match or any condition should match. And then you can define the alerts. So what the system is doing, or a help desk system is doing, is not only capturing all your tickets in one central location, it should also help you resolve them in timely manner by sending reminders. So here you can say 60 minutes before the due date, send reminder to assignee of the ticket. 30 minutes before the due date, send reminder to assignee again. So as many reminders you want, who should get those reminders, when they should get those reminders can be configured here. And let's say even after getting the reminders, the ticket is not resolved in timely manner, you can define the escalations. So here you can say 60 minutes after the due date, inform the manager of this person. 1 day after the due date, inform the director. So as many escalations you want, who should get those escalations, when they should get those escalations can be defined here. Now, SLA is a very, very important part of a help desk system. Like I said, help desk on one hand with omni-channel features is helping you bring all your inquiries, complaints in one central place. And with features like SLA, it is helping you resolve them in timely manner by defining reminders, by having escalations, and so on. So good SLA, a more versatile, flexible SLA configuration is a feature that you should look out for in the help desk software that you're looking forward to purchase. And along with the business hours and the SLAs, the help desk should also have a notification module to be able to send you alerts for different scenarios. There are different scenarios that can take place in a ticketing system: when the ticket is created, when ticket is closed, when somebody responds to a ticket. You want to receive alerts. So here you can define the alerts, for, let's say, for new ticket creation. Whenever the new ticket is created, who should get the alerts? The managers, the team leads, the department members, and how they should get the alert. Should they get the alert on the email? Should they get it as a push notification, or should they get it as a SMS notification? So ability to define alerts. This is a very important um, feature and ability that you should look out for in a help desk software. The other feature is also single sign-on. Now, single sign-on firstly can be through different platforms. Let's say through Google and Facebook and so on. And along with this, the single sign-on can also be through LDAP, through Active Directory. So most of the organizations these days are using some kind of a single sign-on or directory services. So whether it's a Azure Active Directory, or it's a Microsoft Active Directory self-hosted, or whether it's a single sign-on using Google or Facebook or Instagram. So all of them should be supported, that their organization needs. So the LDAP, or the single sign-on, is one very important feature to have. And the other is AI. We're living in the year 2025, where AI is becoming more and more dominating. And AI feature that can help and reduce your work, that can help you save time. Now, what are the AI features that a help desk should have? Uh, you can, the most basic or most important, I would say, is ability to, respond to the tickets. So AI should be able to help you respond to the tickets. So in the replies that you're sending over the tickets, the AI should be able to support you and help you generate these replies. The other is a summarization. Let's say you received many tickets, or in a ticket there are many conversations that are going on. So instead of going over all the conversation one by one, you can also summarize it using the AI. And sometimes, and many a times, there is a solution provided in a ticket. So you want to document that ticket in the knowledge base for future reference. So AI should also be able to provide you article generation feature to generate a knowledge base article for it. And the other is the translation features. So AI should be able to translate your the conversation into different languages. And also along with this, features like sentiment analysis, features like bot builders, natural language processing, and so on, are some of the features that AI should be able to provide. So basically, the first level of support should ideally be coming from an AI, and the second level of support should be coming from a human being. So having these AI features in today's help desk software is something very important and crucial to have. And along with the AI and the other features that I discussed, the one other feature that you should look out for in the help desk software is the uh, mobile apps. So of course, in our office, we can use the help desk software on the desktop or on our laptops, but also on the fly when we are on the move, we should be able to access the tickets, respond to them, close them in timely manner from the mobile app also. So having a help desk software with iOS and Android mobile app is very useful and must have feature in the help desk software. So being on a mobile screen, it's a small screen. So essential features that a mobile app should have is, ability to read the tickets. This is mainly for the agents, ability to read the tickets, ability to reply to the tickets, and ability to close the tickets. These are the, some basic features that a mobile app should have, and the mobile app should support both Android and iOS platform. So of course, there are many more features that a help desk software today can offer, but at the most basic level, or most essential level, these are the most essential features that a help desk software in today's world, in the year 2025, should have these features. So from the webinar perspective, this is what I really wanted to talk about and show you. Everything looked good. So you can be in touch with us. Any questions you have further, or any help you need with using the product, installing the product, feel free to get in touch with us. So thank you for your time. Have a great day ahead. Bye.